Hey, fourth graders, today we are going to be doing the front side of 6-3, and then we have a fluency check that we're going to be working on. So we are going to be doing some more fractions. The top section, you're just adding fractions together, and your bottom number is the same. So whenever you're doing that, the bottom number will always stay the same. So 4 out of 8 plus 2 out of 8. I add my 4 and my 2, and I get 6 out of 8. So just make sure that your bottom number is always staying the same. Okay, we're not adding the bottom numbers, are we? I'm doing the slanted one, but you can also do the straight fraction bar if you would like. All right, then we have a few story problems, which are also just fractions in the story problems. So let's do some of those together, okay? Or talk about them. Number 10, Sue is driving to see her mom. The first day she traveled 2/5 of the distance. The next day she traveled another 2/5 of the distance. What fraction of the trip has she driven? So I'm going to take 2 out of 5 plus 2 out of 5. Sometimes it helps to just write it out. Okay, and it's just like what we did up here, isn't it? So go ahead and add your fraction. Remember that that bottom number stays the same. And then when you get your answer, you will put it on the line. Okay. Number 11. I want to talk about this one a little bit. When Keyshawn sharpens her pencil, she loses about 1/12 of the length. One day, she sharpened her pencil 3 times. So that would be what? 3 out of 12. The next day, she sharpened her pencil 5 times. So that would be 5 out of 12. What fraction of the pencil did she sharpen away? So I need to take my fractions and add them to figure out how much she sharpened away. Okay. And let's read number 12. One day, a flower shop sold 7/10 of its roses in the morning and 2/10 of its roses in the afternoon. What fraction did the shop sell that day? Adding fractions. 7 out of 10 plus 2 out of 10 to figure that out. I'm going to let you do this one by yourself because I know you can do it. You do not need to do number 14. And then meet me, when you're done with this, meet me on the fluency page for just a few directions. But mostly, I can't help you with that. So meet me on page 300 in your workbook. All right, here we are on the fluency check, which we kind of want you to do by yourself. If somebody helps you, just write that on the sheet. Okay? So I'm going to say that we are going to cross out number 14 and 15, and the rest of them we are going to do. Most important thing, watch your sign, add or subtract. They like to switch around a lot. So by now, I'm kind of expecting people to get almost all of these right, okay? Because we've been doing this all year, plus you did it last year as well. So take your time and do a great job. Have an awesome day.